falling, or the wind blows and the rain is pouring.
Christmas?
my chocolate.
Oh, Christmas chocolate.
That's going to do this out.
You got your own tablet.
You're talking to
now,
Grandma?
so-
Say thank you.
No. That's it. That's it. Here.
No.
You want this one? Okay, here. See, there's a little sticker
You
here.
can put the Disney app up.
You're so smart.
You want to wear your new outfit that Grandma got you?
Wow, Sophia, show Mama. Whoa.
What happened, Mama? What happened?
You gotta open it. Wow. Oh, look at this.
Mama, do that.
Mm-hmm.
All that. All that. Okay. Hey, put a danger and use that. See what that danger.
Good morning. So I just finished my coffee. It is the not day after Christmas, but the second day after Christmas that I'm filming this. And I am going in right here with my new cream. I got this from Glow Recipe. It's so hydrating. It's the Plump cream, and it is just so nice and thick, which my skin really needs right now because it's been so dry here in Calgary, and it's obviously, I think, minus like 35 today, so we're gonna be staying inside. It's cold. But I thought in today's video, since I haven't been here in a bit, I just wanted to obviously enjoy the holidays. As I told you guys too, I was sick, and then the girls had a cold as well, so it was just a long last few weeks, but it was fun just to celebrate Christmas and the holidays together and have that family time. I have a few clips that I did of the girls opening presents that I thought I'd add in today's video just to share with you guys, but let me know how your holidays were. What are you guys doing? And a lot of people actually have until the new year off, I've realized, which must be kind of nice. What else was I going to say? Yeah, so yesterday redid my closet. It was a disaster. I had clothes everywhere and laundry everywhere. I just reorganized, and it looks so good today, so I thought I would share with you guys my redecorating and just kind of what I have in there right now. Thought that would be fun to see. And I am starting to just say my giveaway winners on here so you guys can see. So it's Selly. This comment right here, she is the winner of the 400 cash giveaway, so I'll be contacting her. And yeah, congratulations. That was a really fun giveaway. I wish I could obviously do announce the winner prior, but I couldn't get a video up. It was just a lot of family time, and the girls were so excited to open presents, and it takes forever. Any parent knows this, to open toys. Like, it's so secure in there, and like there's so much box cutting, and just to get everything out, all the like little toys and stuff, it took hours. So yeah, I'm really excited just to get ready again today though, because I haven't done my makeup. My lips are so dry. In a little bit. So I really like the Burt's Bees. This is the lip balm I use. But now my hands are too. Yeah, I don't even know if I can open this. There we go. But today is going to be another cleaning day because there's toys all over our like living room area slash kitchen, and I'll show it to you guys because it's a mess, but I plan on getting that done today, and then the basement where their playroom is. So we have Koi, our nanny, starting back up tomorrow, so I definitely want to make sure that I have everything, you know, set up properly. I'm gonna do some foundation. I'm also just using my angled blusher brush. Like I said, my brushes are really multi-use. This is actually a really nice foundation brush that I like using, and it's angled so it gets like around the nose really well.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes.
And just
And
so I can
want
vlog
it
some other
all
stuff
from
today, I
the
might do a little
lights
quick
to the
overlay here.
mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew.
So I thought I would do a little closet tour because I reorganized this yesterday and it was just a mess. As you guys saw on my Instagram, I did a little video, and finally my island is cleared off. I have some new things that I have on my island. So my day planner right here, the Louis Vuitton one that I got myself for my birthday. It's so nice. I haven't used it yet. That's what it looks like. So I'm going to start using this moving forward, 2022 goals I will be making and writing down. And then right here, this is just the bag that I bought for my birthday as well. I haven't used it yet. It comes with a big chain, but I just thought I would display it out and remind myself to use it. Right here we have my Louis Vuitton book. This is one of my favorite fashion books. We have Venus at Floor Flowers. This little trinket is from GLAM Luxe Shop. Nicole, so cute. And then right here I have my Louis Vuitton bracelet that I bought. Right here. We have some earrings back here in this little marble holder. So I just have some of the Chanel earrings that I got from GLAM Luxe Shop too. And then this right here is the Love Scott box from Louis Vuitton. I have some jewels in there. Bracelets. This right here, my favorite tray, this pink round one. We have some Louis Vuitton earrings, Chanel, and then this trinket box that I love. It's the square one from Louis Vuitton. My favorite fragrance right here, Jo Malone. I have been wearing a lot of the one Ryan got me though, the Chloe. It's in my bathroom. I'll show you guys after. Candle. And then over here, this is just another little tray that I got from Nicole. There's just like a bunch of jewelry things on it. And then over here, my clothes have just basically stayed the same. I just hung everything back up because I was washing clothes. And then over here, thought I would show you guys as well. And then right over here in my drawers, I have lots of my wallets. I had my Prada wallet, but I'm using it right now and I put it into my backpack just over there. So I'll show you guys that in a minute, but I have Prada, there's Louis Vuitton Twist. You guys have seen all these if you've watched some of my older videos, but it's nice to have them in here. Iridescent collection that I was obsessed with. And no, I don't use everything. I just obviously have such a love and passion for handbags and small leather goods. This was a bag Ryan got me, little Chanel makeup case, iridescent. And then I'm not sure what's in here. It might be like belts and random stuff. Yeah, so this was just some of my other things that I had. This little Prada bag is so cute. It comes with like a crossbody strap, so I love that. It's just like a little mini bag. I have a Louis Vuitton belt, some of the multicolor, some boxes, and scarves in the bottom. The other thing I have in here, look at all my beanies. I have all my beanies in here. So for Christmas, I got some more from Wolf Fan Collective. I have a coupon code you guys can use down below. It's Slmissglam15. These are such cute beanies. I stock up every winter. We have this one, which I really like, the beige, the cream color. We have, I think I got a new pink one too. Is this my new pink? Yeah, this one here. And then I got the new color right here, cinnamon Really like that for fall. And then I got the girls a little beanie again because they destroyed theirs. Literally for the past like 2 years they've been wearing it, like since they were really small. Their first Christmas I got them those beanies. So look at my drawer, literally stuffed with beanies. And then the other side of my closet is clearly like I have a lot of space that I can do for up there, which I might play around with later on. And also this shoe area. Some of my shoes are downstairs because when I wear them, I don't like to get them dirty and bring them in here. So that's why that's empty. And some of my smaller bags, I leave them on the upper shelves just because the girls can get into them now. But over here we have all of my like summer dresses. I have a lot of floral. We have a lot more dresses up here. We have a wedding photo right here. And then some of my handbags. So we have Chanel Iridescent. This is one of my favorite bags. This is so pretty. And my backpack, I've been wearing that one every day. My Gucci. Yeah, there's just a lot of pink, obviously. I have gotten more kind of into the nudes, so that's why I've started buying like a lot more of like this kind of tone. And then like the bags I have over here are a lot more like nude. I have my beige Chanel, my black Chanel, 2 favorite bags. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna go into like detail on like every pair of shoes I have or, you know, but I just wanted to kind of show you what I did overall, which I think it's very organized and I'm happy because it was a mess. And then this bag I still have here. My friends rated my makeup. I had a huge declutter video. My last video was that, and they took like half of the bag. So yeah. But the rest of the stuff my mom and Ryan's mom are coming, so I'll let them go through it too. And yeah. Okay, so of course my camera died yesterday and all my batteries, I actually have 4 and they were all dead. So I am back here. I wanted to quickly show you because our nanny just got here, but all the girls' little toys. We have the little house right here, which you guys saw me setting up. So cute. And they have Play-Doh, which I think they're gonna do today, and a ton of other things. I really like this too. This little coffee machine I got them. So cute. I love that. And ice cream, lots of ice cream. Then this was the Paw Patrol toy that our friends Kat and Joe got the girls. They're obsessed with this thing. It comes with little cars. So that's over here. And then we have the little tool stand. So I didn't even know, I thought it was like a toolbox, but it transforms into this, which is so cool. So Ryan put this together for the girls and they love it. And then the other thing I have is this Barbie house that you guys would have seen that we got sent, which was so amazing. The girls love playing with this and they really like small little toys. So like Polly Pocket and things like that. So this is perfect. Just had our neighbors here last night for a present exchange and it's nice and clean. So clean, and all my silver stuff is still up and Christmas tree is still up. I'm thinking about taking it down tomorrow, but I might wait till after New Year's. Let me know, do you guys take it down before or after? I love how it says 98 days till Christmas. But yeah, back upstairs. I also really love this bronze glow oil. I wore it when I went to Miami, but I'm just a little worried because the girls like to touch me all the time, so I feel like it's not a kid-friendly thing to wear since it does come off a little bit. So I think I'm gonna stay away from the bronzing products for a little bit, maybe until summer. But I also wanted to like reorganize all this because it's crazy how fast my makeup vanity can turn into a disaster. The other thing I really like are these lashes. These are beautiful. I gifted one to my neighbor the other day, but these are such gorgeous lashes, and I have her glue as well. So yeah, today is just another organizing day. I think I might head to the mall, and I wanted to get a close-up of my necklace. That is from Ryan for Christmas, so pretty. I do have some gift cards from Nordstrom though, from my mom and Ryan's mom. My mom, I haven't even spent it since my birthday, which was in October, so I still have that gift card to spend. And yeah, so I think I'm gonna head there today, since today, yeah, today would be a nice day and I haven't been to the mall in a long time, so I think I'll do that. And it is another cold day here in Calgary. Look at that, all the snow. And of course I didn't do an outro, which I usually forget to when I'm filming. see if that stays still. There we go. Broke another nail, so of course it's both my middle fingers. I have to go get my nails done. I kind of want to do something sparkly again for New Year's, but we will see. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know it's a little short, but I just wanted to get one up after Christmas, and I know like the first few days after Christmas, we just cleaned the house like crazy. Like I just was cleaning, organizing, and I haven't even taken down the Christmas stuff yet. So that's also going to be another big cleaning day. Let me know if you want to see a video on that. I usually just do it and start filming after that, but if you'd like to see it, let me know. But yeah, I am so excited for the new year. We don't have like crazy plans or anything. Obviously, we didn't have family come visit us for Christmas either. They're gonna come in January. We might go to my friend Tina's house just for like her little get together she's having for New Year's. But I don't know, we never really do anything. Like ever since I met Ryan, we're both not like big New Year's people. We'll just like watch the countdown on TV usually. But let me know what you guys are doing. Yeah, so today I think I'm gonna actually, it's 10 o'clock. I am going to go to Nordstrom's at the mall. I have a lot of gift cards that I haven't used. No idea what I'm gonna buy. And yeah, so that should be fun for today. Ryan's on grocery duty, so he's going to Costco. I think he's getting a haircut. But yeah, that's basically it for today's adventures. Let me know though what you guys plan on doing before the new year, if you're just relaxing at home, or if you're doing anything fun. It's definitely too cold here to do anything outside. It's like really cold. I think it was like minus 34 or 35 yesterday, and it's about the same today. My lips are really dry. I'm excited. I'm going for a facial tomorrow. I actually had a chemical peel booked, but I asked him if I could switch it to the relaxing facial because that's what I had missed a few weeks ago. So I'm so happy that I was able to get in for that, because I much rather do that than a chemical peel, especially if I do something with my friend Tina. Then I mean, the last time I got it, my face was so red and blotchy and like it didn't look nice. So anyways, thank you guys for watching my vlog, and I will see you guys in my next video. Christmas?
I find my sock again.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.